Salamakum. I am back. Yes. Can you clean shoe? DK shoe? DK. Shukriya. Hello, salamakum. Salamakum. DK. Hello. Salamakum. Hello guys from Karachi, Pakistan. So bad news for you guys. Fortunately, today's my last day in Pakistan. Like literally officially my last day in Pakistan. I'll be flying back home to Canada very early in the morning tomorrow, Monday morning at 4:30 a.m. And before I head back to Canada, I gotta get my shoes clean. As you can see, it's in the bag right here, right there. Gotta get clean, you know, before I head back home because it's pretty dirty during my over 1 month trip in India and Pakistan. So I gotta get clean before I head back home, man. So yeah, you already know we got the fresh cut before we head back home to Canada and the clean shave. Now we gotta get our shoes clean. And also my bag, hold on, my bag is pretty it's pretty damaged. I'll show you guys. Like right here, my bag's pretty damaged. I don't know if you guys can see the strap, like right there. Like it's pretty damaged, as you can see. Like both of the straps are pretty out. The threads are like gone, so there's like gaps in between. So I don't know if he can fix this. A clean shoe, and is this okay? Can you fix? Yeah? Can it fix okay? Okay, so he can fix both. So that's good to hear that he can fix both. Salamakum. DK. Yes. So yeah, we gotta get our shoes clean here. As you can see. Right there. Shukriya. Pretty dirty. First person view. There you go. Very dirty, as you can see. Super dirty. And then fix my bag. So yeah, he's already fixing a shoe right now. So we just gotta wait. And then when it's our turn, and yeah, I'll show you guys the process of cleaning the shoe and fixing my bag. Shoe fix? Your shoe? So as you can see, he's throwing the shoes right there, fixing it. Fixing his sandals. You can see he's just putting threads between the sole and the bottom part of the shoe. DK. Wow, very good. DK, good? Good. Salamakum. DK. Alright, so he's starting the cleaning process. You can see right there. DK. Camera. Yes. YouTube. DK. Yes. No problem. Yeah. I said. All right. He's the star of the show right now. Wow. So as you can see, it's just wow, shining it right now. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Just dipping it like the shine polish. Wow. A huge difference, man. It's crazy. Wow. Wow, difference. Look at that. Before and then after. Damn, that was fast, man. Holy. That was pretty quick. Yes, very good. Yeah. Wow. Damn, this might be the fastest shoe cleaning you'll ever see on YouTube. Because I've seen other shoe cleans videos. They were pretty like Like they took their time, but this one, like holy, like this guy's going at it with his special polisher, just like that, man. That's crazy. Wow. Got some audience here looking at the shoes clean. Like that. Huh? Canada. Canada. Yeah. Canada. Yes, you. Yeah. You clean for me, and then yes, for me go back to Canada so I can look nice. Yes, very good. Canada. Yeah, Canada. Yes, Canada. Yeah. All right, so there you go. I was just brushing it off, as you can see. Wow. The difference is huge. Yeah, Canada. Wow, DK. Uh-oh. As you can see, look at that. Wow. Even the sun is reflecting it, man. Jeez, that's sick. That's sick, man. Holy. Look at the difference, man. That's crazy. Wow. So I guess we got one done. There's the other one. Wow, DK. Wow, very good. And there you go. That's the finished product. The fastest shoe clean you've ever seen on YouTube. Holy, look at that. The bottom's still dirty. It's all good. It's just the bottom. But on the sides and stuff, wow. Around the shoe, jeez, just like brand new. And I actually got this shoe on Facebook Marketplace for like $30 Canadian. And these shoes are good. Over 1 month. And they've been doing good during my whole travel, man. During my 1 month travel. Facebook Marketplace, man. Used shoes. Worth it, bro. Worth it. And it's all cleaned up like brand new, man. Look at that. Check that out. Wow. DK. And then bag fix. DK. Yeah. DK. Shukriya. So as you can see, again, my bag. It's need to be patched up. Because there's like holes right there, so I guess he'll just use the threads right there and then just like do it very similar like he's doing on the sandals right there. Alright, so he's opening it right now. As you can see. Canada. Yes. Canada. Salamakum. DK. Canada. Yes.
हम साथ जाएगा कनाडा.
Yeah, you come Canada. Canada, yes. I take Canada, yes. Canada. What the fuck? Uh-oh, I guess got a ladyboy in Pakistan. What the heck? So yeah, as you can see, he's putting the thread in right there. Just like that. Wow. There you go. I think he's just going it through from the inside like this. As you can see, right there. Inside the bag. Wow. Canada, yes. Canada, yeah. Today, last day in Pakistan. And then tomorrow I fly back to Canada. Yes. Very good.
It's Canada. Canada.
Yes, me, you, Canada. Yes. Me, you, Canada. We fly back to Canada tomorrow.
Visa.
Visa, yes, yes, yes. Canada visa. Me and you. I get you Canada visa and you come and you open your own shoe shop. And you open your shoe cleaning shop in Canada. In Canada, yes, yes. Yes, I bring you with me. And you, visa, yes. You need Canada visa to come to Canada. Yes.
Visa to Lagar.
To Pakistan. Yeah. I need Pakistan visa to come to Pakistan. Yeah.
Canada.
Canada. I like the colors: green, white, red. Sharwar kameez. Green, white, red. Very nice color. Christmas colors. The man got naan right there. Assalamualaikum. All right, let's go see the process again. Oh. Assalamualaikum. DK. Hello. Assalamualaikum. DK. Oh, friendly people, man. I'm gonna miss the friendliness in Pakistan, seriously. So he finished one side, I just get finished the other side.
I'm Canada.
Yes, you're Canada, yes. Wow. Hello, salam alaikum. Good, how are you?
I'm fine. You?
I'm good. Yes, I'm gay. I got my shoe clean, now I gotta get my bag fixed before I go back home to Canada tomorrow. Today's my last day in Pakistan.
Last in Pakistan.
Yeah, I'm sad that I'm gonna
How
leave.
many days you in Pakistan stay?
I was here over 2 weeks
2 weeks.
in Pakistan. Yeah, I
2
arrived
weeks, 2 weeks here in Pakistan.
Karachi. No, Lahore, Islamabad, Hunza, and Karachi.
Karachi.
Yes, Karachi. Wow.
I'm Canada.
Yes, you're Canada. You come Canada with me tomorrow. Yes, I will get the visa right away, and then you come to Canada and you open your shoe cleaning shop. Your shoe shop.
क्या बोलते
So as you can see right there, still going, puts his hand inside the bag, and then threads the loop, threads the thread, makes a loop, just to secure it. Just like that.
कनाडा था मैं भाई कनाडा था तक ना तुमने वहाँ
Hello, salam alaikum. DK.
It's Canada.
Oh, and look at the big scissors. Oh, there you go. Customer got his shoes. There. Salam alaikum. DK. DK. And there you go. Wow. All fixed up. Wow, look at that. Wow. Look at that. The thread matches, the black threads matches the bag. He did all the way. He went all the way from there. See there, man. And then look at that. All secured, nice secured, just like new. Wow. That is sick. Very good, very good. Wow, DK.
ठीक है.
DK, good. Good. Very good. DK. You got the shoes and all nice and clean and shine up like that. The fastest clean shoe I've ever seen and you've ever seen on YouTube, and the bag all fixed up just like that. And I'm ready, and I'm all set and ready to go back home to Canada. Now we gotta figure out what the price is. Kitna, how much? Kitna clean and kitna? How much? Yeah, how much?
कितने पैसे हुए? 150 rupees.
150 all together? Okay,
Together.
together for sure. All right, 150
I'm
rupees.
Canada.
Yes, you Canada.
You ask so together go China.
Canada. Together Canada. Yes,
Canada,
he wants me
Canada.
to take him to Canada. Yes. All right, so 150 rupees for this. Okay, so 150 rupees for your shoe, cleaning the shoe and fixing the bag. Wow, look at that. The bag is all fixed up, man. I'm surprised. Wow, that's sick. Look at that. And then the clean? Nice and clean, man. All black, man. You already know. I like all black. Look, I'm wearing all black too. See that? I'm Batman. Yeah, 200, no problem. Yeah, 200. Gee. Shukriya. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you so much. All right. Gave him 200. There you go. Shoes are clean. Bag just fixed up. I'm happy that the bag is fixed, man. Like literally, like the straps were like loose since I started my solo traveling in Italy, because I had like a heavy laptop, like a 17-inch like gaming laptop. It's like so heavy, man, but I don't have that anymore. It's all gone. I'm happy that it's all fixed up, just like that. Like check that out. Wow. And then the shoes are nice and clean and all shined up. And I am ready, all set and ready to go back home to Canada, all clean and fixed up. So yeah, shukriya ji, shukriya. Thank you so much,
What is
thank
your
you so
name?
much. My name is Calvin.
How?
Calvin, yeah. All right, thank you so much, shukriya. Thank you. I will take you home to Canada tomorrow. Let's go tomorrow. Visa and I can take you home to Canada. Okay, thank you so much. There you go. All right. Oh yeah. Hold up. Gotta get the bag. The shoe right there. Oh. There you go. Just like that. There. Bag. Yes. Put the shoes in the bag. Oh, there you go. And we got another person getting his bag fixed right here. There you go. He's getting his luggage getting fixed right there. Wow. Bag getting fixed too. Wow. Look at that. He's getting his bag fixed too. DK. Very good. Alright, Shukriya. That's it, Canada. Thank you so much. Shukriya. Yes, I bring you with me tomorrow. Shukriya. Visa. Yes. Alright, Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow. Alright, thank you so much, sir. Allah Hafiz. Really nice to meet you. Allah Hafiz. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you so much. Alright. So yeah, finally, again, got my shoes clean, got my bag fixed up, and I'm all set and ready to go back home to Canada.